Hello, Builder Mandel here, and I am going to show all you cunts how to do special effect animations in Adobe Fireworks, ya cocks. First, load up a pic of some random fucktard like this fat ginger kid aka Heck. Come over to the paintbrushes and start drawing all over the bastard until he looks like a right cock. Caw, what a prick. Give him some weed glasses to make him have 4 eyes. Here is how ya do fish lip. Ya copy, paste and then enlarge it. So much that it is fucking unbelievable and you start laughing. Ha 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 ha, not funny. Well then you draw the fat cunt-a-wee hat for Mario, but I think I'll make it into a McDonald's hat, since he's a fat lad. Give him the yellow M and Madam Elliot scold. French earrings. Now bring him to life by having him say something. Here is an example Miss Cook's catchphrase, you guessed it. Now we add some shit hot effects to make him stand out. I think I will go for the Egyptian look, since I have an Egyptian slave connection. That's it, folks. By the way, fucking subscribe and rate this video 5 stars, because I have just wasted half a fucking hour of my life making this shit, you fucking ungrateful cunts.
Pretty good, pretty good.